Whenever you're ready.
We're teaching middle school science. Alright, good morning class. Today we're going to talk about lab safety before we start our labs next week. So I'm going to pass out a lab contract that I need you guys to sign. And Mr. Bull's going to start talking about some of the requirements.
So lab safety. Accidents can be prevented. Stop and think about your actions. Use common sense. Think about the consequences. And if you have any questions, ask the teacher. We're here to help. So if you have any questions, just ask. Don't be shy. There's no such thing as a stupid question. Eyewear. Goggles are required by law. Yeah, you may look stupid in them, or you may feel like you don't look pretty in them, but your friends are wearing them too, so just go ahead and put them on. It's going to help with your eyes and help prevent safety, or provide safety.
Alright, you need to make sure you're in proper attire so that you don't get hurt. Avoid loose-fitting clothing, so like hoodies are kind of bulky, or if you have, I don't know, but like sweaters sometimes will get caught, just so that equipment doesn't fall over, or you don't spill chemicals, or if we would happen to use fire, nothing catches on fire. Also, if you have long hair, girls or boys, I guess, make sure you have it pulled back and out of your face. And also, do not wear flip-flops just in case something would break, or if you would spill chemicals, you don't want them to get on your skin.
Okay. When handling with chemicals, always wear gloves. If you're allergic to latex gloves, tell the teacher and we'll provide you with a different kind. You don't want to get spilled and have like a chemical reaction or anything.
Alright, safety equipment, we have it all around our classroom. For a fire extinguisher, which is located by the door. Fire blanket, we have one, but we shouldn't need it, but if you have to, you just wrap a person in it so that it extinguishes the fire and holds it in. The eye wash fountain, if you happen to get something in your eye, just come get one of us and we'll help you. You just hold open your eyelids over the fountain and it'll clean your eyes out. First aid kit has band-aids, everything on fire. First aid kit would have, and the safety shower is only for extreme emergencies because it makes a giant mess. There's usually not a drain and we'll clean it all up, so only use it if you would absolutely have to.
Broken glass. Whenever something breaks, the first thing you need to do is tell one of us right away. And then we're going to sweep up the mess. And then everyone needs to avoid that area just in case we forget something because the bottle might have contained a chemical. And then you're going to put the glass in a sharps container.
Alright, there's a few little miscellaneous things. Make sure you do not perform any unauthorized experiments. We don't want any accidents, something blowing up. Make sure you do what you're supposed to. No eating or drinking in the lab just in case something would get on the table like glass or a chemical. You don't want to take any chances. Do not drink from the lab equipment even though we clean it. Just make sure you don't put your mouth on it or eat out of it or anything. Do not smell chemicals directly. Make sure you waft it towards your nose. And make sure you read the procedure before you start an experiment to make sure you understand fully what you're doing, and if you have any questions, make sure you ask us.
And then most importantly, be safe and have fun with the experiments.
Alright, so we're going to go over the lab safety contract real quick. It's pretty much what we talked about in our PowerPoint, but make sure you think before you act. Wear your goggles at all times. Wear proper attire. Wear your gloves when they're necessary. Take care of broken glass properly. Do not perform any unauthorized experiments. Do not drink in the lab. Read the procedure packet before starting. Ask the teacher. Be safe and have fun. Does anyone have any questions over the lab contract before you sign it? Yes?
I mean, I'm 18. Do I need my parents to sign this, or can I just sign it?
You can just sign it if you're 18.
Yeah. Seventh grade's pretty tough.
Okay, but if you're not 18, please have your parents sign it and have it done before Friday so you can participate in the lab that we're starting on Monday. Alright, you want to ask a question?
Okay. So we're gonna ask some questions to see if you guys remember anything. What safety precaution is required by law? Tori. What do you do if you can't wear latex gloves?
You tell a teacher and they'll get a different kind.
After sweeping up broken glass, where do you put it?
Sharp safety.
Very good. Are you allowed to eat in lab?
No.
Yep. Should you read the procedure before you start? Thank you.
Alright guys, we're about out of time, so just make sure you have your contract signed for Friday so you can participate on Monday. Thank you.